many places where the architecture itself calls for a really formal landscape, whether it's something as beautiful as Love Library on city campus or your own home. A formal landscape really does need to be seen from one spot so you can understand what matches, whether it's down the center or radial. Remember that if you're using plants in that formal landscape, which of course is what we're talking about, those plants don't read the book. And that means that one on this side might get taller, one on the other side might decide to die. It's not going to match perfectly for all the years you want it to be beautiful. But one of the things that has happened with Love Library over the years that you could use in your own landscape is we're treating the edges or the frame as the formality of it, which is the very tightly hedged views. So you get seasonal interest, you have a little bit more forgiving landscape within that formal frame, so that when one plant or one type of plant decides it really doesn't want to live anymore, the entire design hasn't fallen apart. Use formality in a sparing way because you want to make sure that you are not trapped into thinking that those plants are going to be the same all the time for all the years you live there, and you don't want to be trapped into having to do all the management to keep them matching.